Hey everyone, in next 2 minutes I will show you exactly how to find the background apps you don't use and turn them off safely. These apps can slow your Windows laptop performance and waste the battery. So let's fix that. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape button to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, you will see apps and background processes. If you notice something you don't use right now, right click it and choose End Task. This frees up a memory instantly, but remember it's temporary. The app will come back the next time you open it. Now, in the next quick step, please go ahead, type setting in your start menu. In setting, please navigate to apps section and here, please find installed app. Here, just go ahead and find any app you rarely use. Then click on these three dots and navigate to advanced option. Under background apps permission, you could go ahead and set it to never. This will stop this app forever from running in background. Still in the setting, go to apps and then go to startup. Just turn off the apps you don't need every time your computer starts. Cutting down startup apps mean fewer programs sneak in the background. In next quick step, go to settings and then system and then power and battery and then go to battery usage. Sort by background to see which apps quietly drain power. If you find one you don't actually use, click the three dots and select Manage Background Activity and set it to Never if this option is available. Browsers loves to keep running. In Microsoft Edge, open Settings, System and Performance and turn off Continue Running Background Extension and Apps when Edge is closed. In Google Chrome, open Settings, Systems and do the same. So the task manager stops apps right now. Settings can block apps you don't use. Startup settings prevent them from auto launching. Battery usage show hidden hogs. And finally, the browser settings stops Chrome and Edge from lingering. And that's it. If this helped you clean up background apps you don't use, just hit the like and tell me which one was slowing your PC the most. Subscribe for more Windows fixes that actually work. Thanks for watching. Bye.